We are in Vienna, Austria, 1761. The Hungarian engineer Wolfgang Von Kempelen attends a magic performance at the court of Empress Maria Theresa of Austria. Disappointed by the show, Kempelen openly criticizes it and claims he could do much better. Offended, the Empress challenges him, giving him 6 months to prepare. Kempelen boldly accepts and surpasses all expectations, presenting the first chess-playing automaton. This machine would enjoy international success for more than half a century, fascinating countless nobles, celebrities and scientists. Today, 260 years after the appearance of the mechanical Turk, as it was called back then, we meet Roland, who has created his own automaton, following in Kempelen's footsteps. Hello Roland, thank you so much for agreeing to this interview. So, what an unexpected idea, building a contemporary mechanical Turk. Yes, well, when I retired a few years ago, I thought I'd start a project that would both keep me busy and deeply interest me, but without the constraints of my professional life. Deadlines, budgets, and so on. I had to deepen or even start learning in quite a few different fields. Let's say, overall, I had to work in computing, do a lot of programming, mechanics, also a bit of physics, a bit of mathematics, and also familiarize myself with 3D printing, mechanical subcontracting, all areas I wasn't really used to, but it was really interesting, and it still is. How do you make a part? Well, I'll give you an example. Take the elbow. The first step is to draw the piece. Then we 3D print it. That's the prototype. When everything works properly, we print the final part. Is the Turk finished? That's a good question. Actually, the next step, almost certainly, though I still need to find collaborators, is to make a costume. I'd like one that makes it look as close as possible to the original Turk. What do you plan to do with the Turk? At the moment, I don't have very precise ideas. Maybe give a few Turk demonstrations and see how people react to it. Their faces always amuse me. Modern technology allows ALIM to play autonomously, but how did Kempelen manage this feat during the 18th century? Well, that question has caused a lot of ink to flow back then. The trick was actually quite simple. There was a hidden operator inside the machine. He had a very tough job, because he was in the dark, probably lit only by a candle, and he had to both detect the opponent's move and manipulate the automaton's arm to move the pieces. So, there was a technical feat not only in building the machine, but also a human feat for the operator. Being able to control it all was truly extraordinary. Without making any noise, I imagine. Oh yeah, but Kempelen had thought of everything. He had a huge mechanism that made a lot of noise, which the operator would trigger whenever he needed to cover up, let's say, a biological sound. To learn more about the original Turk by Von Kempelen, we recommend reading the book The Turk by Tom Standage. As for me, I didn't achieve the feat of French Grandmaster Fabien Libizevsky, who managed to hold equality against ALIM for about 30 moves during a simultaneous exhibition. In my game, I was greatly amused by ALIM's facial expressions, but I had to admit, checkmate was inevitable. Ah yes, that's a beautiful checkmate, absolutely beautiful. Imagine if it takes with the bishop just to taunt me. To make the fun last? No, it's not that evil. Thank you. I got fooled. Thank you very much, Roland, for letting us discover your automaton in this timeless journey. The mechanical Turk is fascinating, and we can't wait to see what comes next.